staring at a problem with zero idea where to begin. This happens to every developer. The difference between juniors and seniors isn't avoiding this moment. It's having a systematic approach to break through it. First, decompose the overwhelming problem into bite-sized pieces. Take a massive feature request and extract the core components. What's the data model? What's the user interface? What's the business logic? Identify dependencies between these pieces. Which parts must happen first? Breaking complexity into a dependency tree transforms paralysis into a clear roadmap with concrete starting points. Next, map what you know versus what you don't. Write it down. You might know the programming language but not the framework. You might understand the business requirement but not the technical architecture. This knowledge inventory reveals exactly where to focus your learning effort and prevents wasting time on areas you've already mastered. Now, systematically gather information. Read the official documentation first, not random blog posts. Check if similar problems exist in your codebase. Search for architectural decision records. Ask clarifying questions to stakeholders or domain experts. Good research builds the foundation before you write a single line of code. Finally, embrace iteration. Don't wait for the perfect solution. Build a minimal prototype or proof of concept with your current understanding. Test your hypothesis. Let the failures guide you to the real solution. And when you're truly stuck, leverage your team. Senior developers ask for help strategically, after they've done the groundwork but before they've burned hours going in circles. Master problem solving by breaking down complexity, mapping your knowledge gaps, researching systematically, and iterating with smart help seeking. Practice these steps and you'll never face a blank screen the same way again. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.